Hey guys, I'm Ganesh and you're watching Gadget Kada. So in this episode we are going to see the latest update of MIUI, which is MIUI 9.5.9 stable ROM for Redmi Note 4. So I have the Redmi Note 4 and this is the update. So without further ado, let's roll. So first up, let's see what all the updates are. So as you can see, it has only fixes. There are only fixes for this update. So Redmi had recently said that Redmi had recently told that they won't have any updates, but this is just a fix. So are all bug fixes related updates. So let's see what all these are. So first up is a device disconnected from mobile networks during calls. So previously what happened was, while we were in a call or when it was trying to call, it got disconnected. So that was the first bug. And the next one is notification settings didn't work for dual apps. So while using dual apps such as WhatsApp and other applications, the notification settings didn't work. And the next one is contacts mixed issues in feedback. So while giving feedback, it had issues in contacts. So those three are the only fixes which MIUI has released in this version. So that is the only fix, and I'm not sure if there is any fix related to battery issue or the heating. The heating seems to be a little bit less and the battery seems to be as it was. So if you find anything similar to this, or if you find any updates, please leave it in the comments below. I hope that you have liked this video. If you have, please leave a like and also share this video with your friends and subscribe to Gadget Kada for more such videos. So until next time, bye bye.